Sichuan Province, China, about 150 million years ago. This area features several small lakes, forests, and rivers, along with numerous grassy savanna-like environments and wet, boggy marshlands. It is also bordered by small temperate rainforests. Mamenchisaurus, a herbivorous sauropod. Mamenchisaurus is recognized from fairly well-preserved remains. Some specimens measured approximately 52 feet in length, featuring a neck that extended 21 feet. The estimated mass of Mamenchisaurus is around 8.68 short tons, determined through volumetric methods. One specimen includes a nearly intact skull, which contains 4 teeth in the premaxilla, 18 in the maxilla, and between 22 to 24 in the dentary. A distinctive characteristic of the skeleton is the wedge-shaped sacrum, which results in the sacrum and the base of the tail being elevated in relation to the rest of the vertebral column. The discussion surrounding the neck posture and feeding strategies of Mamenchisaurus remains a topic of debate among experts. Andreas Christian and his colleagues conducted an analysis of the neck structure of Mamenchisaurus, revealing that when positioned neutrally, the neck appeared nearly straight, exhibiting a slight upward curve at the base and a gentle downward curve towards the head. The base of the neck demonstrated considerable upward flexibility, while its downward flexibility was more restricted. Conversely, the area near the head showed enhanced downward flexibility but limited upward movement. In the midsection, there was significant downward flexibility, leading the researchers to infer that Mamenchisaurus likely engaged in feeding at lower levels. Additionally, the presence of long overlapping cervical ribs may have constrained flexibility. The researchers also assessed the stress on the intervertebral joint cartilage, concluding that the neck was predominantly maintained in a straight position, with exceptions noted at the base and near the head. Mamenchisaurus is occasionally labeled as a wastebasket taxon, leading researchers to scrutinize the variety of species and incomplete remains attributed to this genus. The definition of the genus is vague, resulting in a complicated taxonomy that complicates the comprehension of its phylogenetic relationships. Numerous studies have not demonstrated that Mamenchisaurus is monophyletic, indicating a potential necessity for a re-evaluation of the genus. Further investigation into the type species, Mamenchisaurus youngi, is essential for a clearer understanding of the genus. Fossils of Mamenchisaurus have been found in China, but more specifically Chongqing, Sichuan, and Xinjiang provinces. Mamenchisaurus translates to Mamenchi lizard. The name is derived from the Chinese pinyin, where mi means horse and men signifies gate. Additionally, che serves as an alternative transliteration of 11, which means stream or brook. The term concludes with the suffix saurus, originating from the Greek word sauros, meaning lizard. Mamenchisaurus utilized a range of self-defense strategies. Its impressive size and elongated neck likely served to discourage potential threats, while its tendency to form herds may have enhanced safety through collective behavior. Additionally, its powerful limbs and sturdy physique could have been effective in repelling any attackers when required.